TikTok people no run come here. This one crowd. Imagine my sister send this bird from Canada. Nobody never beg her or nothing. And I'm a matter of fact, I'm not beg. I'm very independent. I'm gonna say none of my siblings them out here are weird. Them shit. The way they something them all and derail and mash up and pop up. By the time them going to the ship and rock 2 times, them start to dismantle everything start pop up. You know, so the way me start going bad, and my sister call her at the same time, she have to send back my money we clear the barrel here. You know, so the foreign people are run receipt people, nobody never big her nothing. And she claims that she have some stuff up there that she can send down to her sibling them. And we must share it up. Share up what? Why she and her mama never keep it up there? I not beg people because I'm independent. And my sister work hard. Nobody, none of we never want none of this because we never beg her nothing. Disrespectful. What them take Jamaican people for? Them take for idiot people not help me make this go viral. Please and thanks. Because this one crowd don't run come quick. Come, this one crowd don't come over here so. Come over here and repost this like no. Please and thanks.